What are some examples of elements on a site that might introduce high cognitive load? High cognitive load refers to elements that create mental friction, making it difficult for users to process information. Carousels are a primary example. They often combine moving parts, disappearing text, and auto-rotating content that can be difficult to track or control. Cognitive load can also look like a dense, crowded layout with insufficient white space. When a design is overly busy, filled with long paragraphs, complex language, or excessive motion, it can become a barrier to comprehension. For users navigating non-visually, such as screen reader users, cognitive load can stem from a lack of clear structure. If a site is cluttered with content but doesn't use defined regions or a proper heading hierarchy, users may struggle to stay oriented or find the information they need. This also applies to dynamically updating content, such as carousels or live feeds that constantly push new announcements. When a site forces new information at a user while they are attempting to complete a task, it can create a chaotic experience. Ultimately, the goal is to reduce this noise so users can focus on the content rather than the effort of navigating the design. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.